Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
After many years of being stalled, the contract awarded by the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) for the construction of a bridge linking Port Harcourt to Okrika in Rivers State will soon be revived to ensure its completion. Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, made a disclosure during a recent inspection of the project at Okrika.
In 2013, the NDDC commenced work on a bridge linking Port Harcourt from Borokiri to Okrika. The 3.9-kilometer long bridge was conceived to ease commuting from Port Harcourt City to Okrika and its neighboring communities of Eleme and One, where most of the federal government's biggest investments are located. While inspecting the project recently at Okrika, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, lamented its stalled state, noting that it was designed as an alternative route to the chaotic Eleme-Okrika road that has been in use for decades. Dr. Ogbuku assured benefiting communities that the project would be revived to ensure its completion.
We believe at the moment the project is stalled at the moment, as you can see, because there's nobody on site working, and we're also going to involve the contractor too to know why the project is stalled. If it is something that has to do with payments, we have to look at how to mobilize back to site, because it's a major project that links Port Harcourt main township to Okrika town, and if this project is completed, based on how it was conceived, it is also to reduce the pressure on the traffic on the east-west route going through Eleme. It creates an alternative route from the east-west route. So I think it is a major project that is laudable and necessary for completion.
While in Okrika, the NDDC MD paid a courtesy visit to the Amayanaba of Okochiri Kingdom, King Ateke Tom, and also assured the royal father that the stalled project will be revived as soon as possible. It takes only a few minutes to get to Okrika Island from Port Harcourt Township on a boat ride. Owing to lack of access road from this end of town, most residents are compelled to travel several kilometers through Eleme to get to Okrika. Some excited Port Harcourt residents say they cannot wait to have the project completed and delivered by the NDDC.
What all we are saying, if the NDDC will just remember, please, we are begging them, even as I'm standing, we are still begging the NDDC to come and do something. We need this project more than any other project. If they say they want to come tomorrow, we will even do free labor for them. We'll go ahead and carry their things to this place because we really need this project.
They should help us to do this bridge for us. It will also facilitate not only we alone, for everybody, for the whole Port Harcourt and the River State at large.
To make the project for the construction of a bridge linking Port Harcourt to Okrika by road more relevant to the needs of its intended beneficiaries, the NDDC is considering its redesign. The redesign, according to the Managing Director of the NDDC, would allow for easy passage of big vessels along the coastlines. While the current governing board of the NDDC is determined to complete long-abandoned projects to benefit blighted communities in the Niger Delta, it is constrained by paucity of funds to execute such projects. This explains why several pan-Niger Delta groups and civil society organizations have intensified calls on the federal government to release withheld funds due the NDDC to enable the current administration complete a good number of the abandoned projects initiated by the Commission to aid development in the region.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,